All right, so today, guys, working on this faucet out in my garage. This is a really old style frost-free hose bib, and I try to not use this because every time I do, I hook a hose to it, turn the water on, and I'll have a good seal around the threads here, but water will leak out past the handle. So uses a real old style packing nut, and let me show you what that means. So pull the handle off, there's just a screw holding it from the middle, and then ideally you want to do this with your water off. My water is still on, but so this packing nut just has a fibrous seal inside. It's just packing. And the packing actually goes all the way through to the front side. There's probably like a little metal shoulder in there, a little brass shoulder, but that's all full of packing, and it seals around this shaft. Now what happens over time is this packing wears, it gets enlarged, and it allows water to get past it. So I went looking for a way to repair this. So if you go to the big box stores or even some of the smaller hardware stores, really all I've got in my town is a Lowe's, a Menards, and an Ace Hardware. So Lowe's didn't have anything. I went to Ace Hardware because I figured they would be the most likely to have some of this older stuff. And the guy said, yep, I'm not gonna have packing for that. So what I will have is this packing rope. So here's the package. But all it is a graphite impregnated rope, and you just wrap it right around the stem here, trim off whatever you need, and then you thread this back on and it kind of fills in any gaps. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to cut off a short section. I don't have a whole lot of room in behind this packing nut. I'm just going to get it wrapped on there as tightly as I can so it doesn't get caught in the threads. And then slide my packing nut on and just thread it on. I'm just going to tighten this with an adjustable wrench. Now I can actually see some of whatever's soaked into this rope squeezing out around the shaft, so I can tell it's filling some gaps, so that's good. So I've got just one of these little plastic caps. I'm just gonna seal this off so I don't have to put a hose on here. And I know it doesn't seal off the best because it squirts up the backside, but throw my handle on here. This is just an old election sign, plastic, keep the wall from getting wet. So I don't have any water coming out past the stem here. It's all coming out the backside of the threads, which is just because it's cheap plastic nut. So if you've got one of these old style hose bibs that has the old style packing and it's leaking through the handle, go buy some packing rope. Should get you fixed up. Thanks for watching.